The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2024 Toyota Tacoma Short Bed with a Retrax PRO XR cover. We previously installed that, and if you want to see a video of just the cover, we'll link to that in the description below. But here we've got the Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero RLT600 crossbar system. So this is using the 59-inch long Vortex Aero crossbar, the RLT600 quick mount legs with locks, and also we've included a spacer on this. Spacer is not required, but this actually lets you clear the handle of the Retrax cover with it in the fully vertical position. So when it's unlocked and open, you're not having to lower it to cross underneath the crossbar. So with this spacer, open and close it as much as you want. The bar itself is an aluminum extruded bar, so strong and rigid. Also has a C-channel or T-track on the top for mounting accessories into the bars, and of course you can clamp accessories onto the bars as well. So this is a really short system that barely fits on this truck. If you want a little bit more breathing room, a little bit more real estate, the 65-inch bars do fit as well. We've got a video of that coming up. We'll link to it in the description as soon as that's up on YouTube. But the bars can be adjusted anywhere along the length of the rail, so put them close for smaller gear, spread them wide for more support on maybe a longer load. Here you can see the handle fully clearing without any issues. So great system, up to 220 pounds carrying capacity. If you do want something more rigid, we would recommend the Reconn bar. It's a new bar from Rhino-Rack, and it's much more substantial. There's more material, it's just more rigid. There's T-track channels on the top, bottom, and sides. We've got another video of that coming out as well. So stay tuned to our channel or view the links in the description below. And if you'd like to purchase the system, click the links in the below that take you to our website where you can buy this whole kit without missing any pieces with a couple clicks. So that's it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.